Hi guys, this is a Sous Vide machine by Livecook, and you can also call it Sous Vide circulator. So this is quite a new technology in cooking, and it is very popular right now. I'll just show you how to operate this. It has this clamp which you can fix it in any of your water container. The capacity of this machine is 8 liter. This is very good for small setups. So this is fixed now. Once this is fixed, like you can rotate this like here and there also, wherever you are setting, wherever you can see the setting of the machine, time and temperature, etc. I'll just show you the feature how to use this. So basically, I'll just switch it on. This temperature is the current temperature of the water, and the below temperature is the one what we have to set. Suppose let's set, like this is the timer. First set the temperature. So you can set it maximum 100 degree, you can set it. I am setting it at around 60 degree. Now press the set again. Now this is the timer. Let's do it at say 2 hours. Now the temperature is 60, timer is 2 hours. I'll just press it, the play button. Now the machine is on, but the temperature will rise from here. This is the temperature what we have set, and this is the current temperature of the water, which is increasing now. So once this temperature will reaches to this 60 degree, the timer will start automatically. Okay, once it will reach, I'll show you. The water capacity is around 8 liter for this particular machine. Right now the water will be around 3-4 liter, and it is going to take around 4-5 minutes, maximum 4-5 minutes to set it. So once it reaches the temperature, I'll show you once again. Awesome. Okay guys, now you can see the temperature is reached 60 degree. So it has a variant of around 0.5 plus minus, and now everything is started. Temperature, time, both is started. So it will maintain the temperature and it will keep on decreasing the time. And one more very important thing, it is water splash resistant. Whatever water splashes on the machine, it it has a capability of sustain that. It is that durable. I hope you like the machine, and for any kind of sales inquiry you can contact